has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
I knew him being there. Robb! Robb, it's bad! No! Oh my god, stop. You're actually lying to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? Oh my god, I can't. It was all too good. I can't believe we actually just killed them all. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. That didn't just happen. No.
The king in the north arises.
Oh my god.
One more late enough, please. He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear I will not forget this.
I am in shock. I am in disbelief that this is happening.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle.
I knew he forgave it too easy.
Take me for a hostage, but let Robb go. Robb, get up. Get up and walk out. Please. Please.
And why would I let him do that?
He doesn't even care.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife.
I can't handle it. I'm actually in disbelief and shock.
I'll find another.
The Lannisters send their regards.
My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Bro, he got armor on. Bro, I can't believe this shit, dude. What the fuck? Just killed his baby, bro.
The king in the north arises.
On my honor as a Tully, on my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Damn. He's a savage.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Lord Bolton, bro. I fucking knew it.
Oh my god. Nah.
No.
Dude. That is way too far. This show is messed up. Is that her?
Yeah, was that hers? I can't remember now. Nymeria?
Hang on, did everyone just die, dude? Like, Catelyn,
Oh, the wolf.
Robb, no way, dude.
Get up and walk out! Please!
Please don't kill Robb.
And why would I let him do that?
Rob's already broken.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
No.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh.
He was a Lannister. No way, dude.
I can't.
Holy crap.
I can't breathe. What? Can we end this episode?
What's wrong with his hand?
Wedding gift.
Oh, f***. Yeah.
Bridget, it's a trap.
Yep. Oh my god!
Does he know what's happening? Is he confused? Oh god, he's...
Oh my fucking god. I don't want to watch the show anymore. I can't fucking do this anymore. Oh my god.
The king in the north arises.
Robb,
No.
get up! Get up and walk out! Please!
It's over.
And why would I let him do that?
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
He doesn't care.
I'll find another.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
No fucking shit. No fucking ways. No!
I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
What the fuck? Bolton, you piece of shit! Did Bolton do this? Why? Is it... Why? Oh, gago si Bolton! Si Bolton talaga. Oh my god!
It's over!
Jeez, who's responsible for all of this? What the fuck? Oh, the wolf! Oh my god!
It's too late.
Oh shit! Oh, he's the house looking out for her, but what the fudge? Gago si Bolton. He did this, but why? Because his bastard is taking over Winterfell? Oh my god.
The king in the north arises.
Holy shit!
Lord Walter, let it end! He is my son! Let him go, and I swear that we will forget this!
You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
But let Robb go! Robb!
Oh my god, she's dead!
And why would I let him do that?
He doesn't care about her!
On my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat!
He doesn't care about his wife, though.
I'll find another.
Mother, the Lannisters send their regards.
Oh! Fuck you, Bolton! Ugh!
Ah!
Oh, shucks. What the fuck? What kind of ending was that?
Why is he ready for war?
Robb!
What? What the freak? Stark? You kidding me? What the freak?
Hey, yo!
Oh.
I am not about to believe this, that they both are gonna die right now. There's no way. Yo, you get.
Yo, that is ridiculous.
You can't be serious. Bro, they had to make a deal with the Lannisters. Lord Bolton and Frey, they had to make a deal with them.
I don't think it was even just that, John Mayer. I think it's literally the fact that he did not marry him. I mean, marry his daughter.
It's too late.
He getting her up out of there.
Yo.
Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Guys.
Yo.
Catelyn and Robb got shots. I don't believe it. Ooh.
Lord Walter, enough! On my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife.
Care? He don't care? Oh my god. Bro, I don't like this.
I'll find another.
No. No.
Mother. The Lannisters send
Stop! No! No!
Oh my freaking goodness. Turn this off! Goodness. Oh my gosh!
Robb!
What? What? Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh!
Wait.
What? What?
You gotta be. Oh.
What is happening?
Oh, Catherine. What a.
Look at that! No way!
Not the dog. No.
What is it?
God. She just made it. Hey. Babe. Oh, man.
Hey, somebody's gonna come.
Look at
Somebody's gotta
that's
come.
Catherine, I think she got hit with an arrow.
So, look at.
Oh, Talisa. No.
Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
What the?
Mother.
He just.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh!
No!
Rob, what?
No!
I.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh my god.
This is like the worst nightmare. No! No! Oh!
Oh, babe. No way. I feel like. Wait, let me just. Wait, I just got. Oh, I got goosebumps in my ass. Oh my gosh.
My new queen a wedding gift.
Rob!
What the f? What? Oh my god! Oh no!
Hi, you ready to head home to Winterfell, eh? Hi.
What just happened? No! What the hell just happened? No! No! This is no. Hide!
It's too late.
Oh, she made it. Oh, oh, thank God. Robb made it too.
The king in the north arises.
Oh my God.
Take me for a hostage, but let Robb go. Robb, get up, please.
Robb, go. Robb,
Please.
go!
On my honor as a Tullich. On my honor as a Stark.
He doesn't care about his daughter.
Let him go.
Oh, it's a wife. Does he care about his wife?
I'll find another.
The Lannisters send their regards.
My new queen a wedding gift.
Something is badly wrong.
Robb!
Oh my God! Motherfucker show. Where's Robb? Where's Robb? Where's Robb? Why did this family has to suffer? Like they always fucking suffer.
The king in the north arises.
Lord Walder! Lord Walder, enough! Let it end! He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear we will forget this. I swear it by the all gods and you. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
I'm watching this on my fucking birthday.
Get up and walk out! Please!
Mother.
Oh god. Oh my god.
The Lannisters and
Oh
the
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Oh! Is this all because Robb didn't marry? Oh my god, is Robb dead? No! And he's
King
fucking...
in the north arises.
Oh. She's gone.
You swore by all the gods your son would marry my
You-
daughter!
Take me for a hostage, but let Robb go. Robb, get up, please. Please.
Oh my god, this is
Why
killing me.
would I let him do that?
On my honor as a
Seeing her
Tully,
cry like that.
on my honor as a Stark, or I will cut your wife's throat.
Oh, Robb, I'm so sorry.
I'll find another.
Robb has an arrow in his...
The Lannisters and the Regards.
Oh! Oh my god.
Has armor on? Wait, the Bolton? Are the Boltons in on it too? What? No, no. What? What the fuck? What? No! What? There's no fucking, there's no way. No, no, she's gotta live. She's got... The fucking wolves? Please tell me one of them's gonna live. Catelyn or Robb, maybe they'll live. Oh shit, Catelyn. Please tell me she lives. Please, 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 please.
Let it end, please. He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear we will forget this. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
Take me for a hostage, but let Robb go. Robb, get up. Get up and walk out. Please. Please.
And why would I let him do that?
On my honor as a Tully, on my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mother.
The Lannisters and the Regards.
No. my god. What the hell is this show?